Hello, crafty friends. It's Taylor here, and I am so excited to be joining you for a big reveal today. And when I say big, I mean big. So if you are familiar with this product, then you recognize our Tailored Expressions Magnetic Glassboard. So many of you have loved this, and every good mini needs a full size. So today I am excited to introduce you to our new 18 by 24 magnetic glassboard work surface. So I wanted to introduce you to some of the special features that we have built into this glassboard specifically for working with Tailored Expressions products. We know how many of you love our stencil collections of creating quads and triple slim stencils. So we have some specific guides just for you to create with our triple slim and creating quad stencils. So let's start out by looking at triple slim. We have one of our triple slim paper packs here, and I'm going to show you here. It is marked out on your glassboard. So this glassboard says triple slim cardstock, and then it has a black outline where that triple slim cardstock fits in there. And then you're going to have your outline for your triple slim stencil. Now, when you use this with the alignment squares, you can certainly mark those alignment squares with a Sharpie, which will come off conveniently with a little bit of alcohol after you are finished with your blending. So that happens to be the case for both the triple slim and the larger creating quads. So you can see that's a larger opening here for the creating quads paper. And then the line around the very outside is for the creating quads stencil. Now, those of you that love to use 6x6 stencils and create with A2 size paper, we have those alignment guides here in the middle of our glass board. So you can see the vertical orientation for your A2 card and the horizontal orientation along with the 6x6 stencil outline for easy switching of your layering stencils or just a nice centralized spot to do your blending. As with our small magnetic glassboard, we also have a color catcher off to the side. This is perfect if you're using liquid watercolors. You can drop the different colors of your watercolor onto the color catcher so you can tell which colors go from red down to purple, and we have our neutral spot at the bottom. And then it also works great for tapping off your blender brush before you go and stencil onto your paper. So you can grab that extra ink when you're ready and stencil back on your paper. So you're not wasting any ink by blotting off onto a paper cart or a paper placemat. The measurements on this glassboard go from 0 to 15 inches on the side, and then across the bottom, we have from 0 to 21 inches. The grid printed on the background is in 1/4 inch increments, so it makes measuring really easy, sizing your things up and making sure you always have a right angle to make sure your things are stamped straight. As I mentioned, it is a magnetic glassboard, so just like our other glassboard, we have our pawn magnets that work perfectly. These are our super strong teal magnets, and they are purchasable separately from the glassboard. So grab yourself a pair of these or a couple pairs to hold your stencil in place while you're blending. Or of course, you can use my personal favorite, which is Tailored Expressions Teal Tape, to hold your stencils and paper down onto the glassboard. Another thing I love about it, it easily suctions down your project or whatever tool you're working with. So this particular tool, the Sidekick machine, has a suction on the bottom of it. And because this is smooth glass surface, that machine is not going anywhere. I'm trying to wiggle it off and I'm not having any success because it is completely suctioned down to that smooth surface. Makes it really easy to do your die cutting on this surface as well. And when you're ready to take it off, you just move the handle and the suction releases and you can peel that off of your glassboard. As I mentioned before, it is easily cleanable with alcohol. So after you have crafted on here, whether you have adhesive or ink or whatever may be on the surface, simply take your spray bottle with alcohol, spritz it across, and then you can take your cleaning cloth and just wipe it clean. Perfect, brand new every time. The 18 by 24 surface really is a game changer using this as a work surface, and I hope you love the colorful design as much as I do. You can grab this at Tailored Expressions today. The shipping is included in the cost of the glass board, and I can't wait to hear what you think. Thanks for tuning in. Bye, guys.